Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and your game keeps crashing on the loading screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 crashing on the loading screen easily. So this fix will work for both the enhanced and the legacy versions of the game. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your Explorer. Now you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into your system, then you're going to go to your username, go into documents, and then Rockstar Games here. Now, if you have the legacy version of the game, you're going to go into GTA 5 here. If you have the enhanced version, you're going to go into enhanced. I have the enhanced one, so I'm going to go into enhanced. And now what you're going to do is you're going to delete this settings.xml file here. Don't worry, this settings file does not have your saved games. It just stores your graphic audio settings of the game. So you can just delete this file and it will regenerate whenever you open up the game. Afterwards, you're going to open up your game's platform. So if you have the game on Steam, you're going to open Steam up. I have the game on Epic, so I'm going to open Epic Games up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into these three dots on GTA 5 and then you're going to go into manage. You're going to click on to verify files here and it will verify your game's files. If you have the game on Steam, I'll show you that now. So just open up Steam, right click on GTA 5, go into properties, go into install files and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, it will verify your game's files and it should fix your issue. You'll not face those crashes on GTA 5 anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.